I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Oh, come on now, you all don't feel like that.
Hey kids, welcome back. I am on a business trip and stuck in a hotel room, and I lost one of my antenna tubes on the MokaJJ gem, which is sad. But anyway, I wanted to fly tonight or today when I got out of my meetings, but I had a corporate dinner to go to, so I didn't get a chance to. So I'm going to test these RacerKraft props in my hotel room. This should go well. So let's see what happens. Yeah, it's probably not going to be too good. Angle mode. Let's see what happens. 4S. Look at that. All right. I'm going to hit myself in the face, probably. Stand back a little bit. Look at that. Ooh, I like them. Yeah, those are fucking sweet, man. Those things got some kick. Let's try it again. That's what happens when you're bored. I mean, I'm going like no throttle at all. It's such a powerful bird. So, yeah, these things are going to haul ass. All right, that's it.
Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ. Hey, JJ. Hope you like fishing.